Hi guys, in this part 2 of our tutorial, we're gonna create the accordion effect using JavaScript. Last time, we create our markup and we did style it. So, let's get started by creating our JavaScript file called common.js. Let's add a script tag to our index.html and link it to our JS file. Now let's start by selecting all the panel headers using query select all. It will return a table that we're gonna name it p headers. We're gonna loop through all the elements of the p headers using the for loop. For each panel header, we're gonna add to it a click event listener. And when it will occur, we're gonna select the closest sibling to it. In our case, it will be panel body. The variable panel body, it will be equal to this dot nextElementSibling. This in this case refer to the panel header that we clicked on it. Now we're gonna test if the panel body max height is different than 0. If this is the case, we're gonna set it to null. For the moment, the max height of the panel body is set by default to 15 RAM. We need to change it to 0 because we're gonna change it using the click event. Back to our JS file. Now, if the panel body max height is equal to null, we're gonna set it to max height of 15 RAM. Now let's save it and have a look. Something is wrong. It doesn't work. Okay, I forgot the T in the nextElementSibling. Let's save. It works fine. To get it more smooth, we're gonna add a transition all 650 milliseconds to the panel body. Now let's change the icon when we expand and contract the panel. To do that, we're gonna select the element children of panel header by using the selector children. It will return a table that we're gonna save it to the variable pHeader children. So when the panel is contracted, we're gonna hide the card up, in this case the second child, and display the card down, in this case the third child. And when the pan is expanding, we're gonna hide the card down and display the card up. If we save and get a look, it works fine. There is one last thing to do, and that is changing the background color. So let's change the panel header color when we expand. If we save and get a look, you notice that we need also to change the background color of the panel. To do that, we're gonna use the selector parentElement. It works, but the color doesn't change back when we contract the panel. It's easy to fix. All what we need to do is to change the background color of the panel when its max height is equal to null. It works fine, but it looks clunky. To fix that, we're gonna add a transition all 650 milliseconds to the panel header and the panel. You can see it is beautiful. Look at that. I hope you like this video. To the next one, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will help me a lot.